Hi, my research is all about telepathically transmitting messages between two brains using brain waves and binary. This idea came up to my mind when I saw a deaf-mute Indian who uses hands to express himself. Our brain is made up of billions of active neurons that have about 170,000 kilometers of combined length. Every time we have a thought, the electrical impulse is generated by a chemical reaction which can be measured. The EEG handset, which is the electroencephalography, can be used to record electrical activity from neurons which are fired inside our brain and then get converted into binary, which is a language understood by a computer as 0101. The brainwave technology has already been used in our life to telepathically control gaming characters and helicopters. The EEG currents could be linked with certain thoughts in our brain which could be converted into computer interface or binary. Just to make it simpler, the concept is like electric field. Our brain is like a charge which transmits signals into a chemical reaction which can be sent via Bluetooth to a computer which will then convert it into its language. That is the binary code. The second step would be to get this binary code converted to electrical stimulations which would then be received by other person's brain. Well, this could be done by using transcranial magnetic stimulation coil. The coil would then produce small electric currents via the process of electromagnetic induction, which will then take it from mind to brain. The major challenge would be to replace the binary codes by the actual brain, and making this process a lot faster, cost efficient, and a direct transfer of information from one brain to the other. This technology could be used for many purposes. This signal transported could be used by the deaf-mute for easy communication in their day-to-day conversations and not use their hands to make someone understand their words. This will make their life a lot easier. This could also be used by the NASA scientists, and they don't have to use radio waves anymore. They will just have to think and the message will be transmitted through other astronauts in space. Also, people underwater do not have effective way of communicating with each other. This can help scuba divers or explorers to go deep inside the sea and communicate with each other just as they do on the land and explore more and more. The number of cell phones users is increasing day by day, which may lead to cancer and many health problems, as cell phones emit radio frequency waves, also known as the radio waves. A form of non-ionizing radiation could be absorbed by the tissues near it, which can increase the risk of cancer. So this technology will reduce the usage of mobile phones, ultimately leading to lesser risk. To take it to a further level, a multi-message receiving technology could be built, which could be designed in such a way that only one message is received at a time and the rest can be stored in an artificial memory, which could be loaded later. So, this is the basic model of how it actually works. The EEG handset could be carefully attached to our brain. So, a person's mind will be in a state of motor imagery, which is a dynamic state during which an individual mentally stimulates a given action. The data could be transferred to a computer by a wireless Bluetooth EEG, which will then be processed by the computer and convert it into binary, which could then send it to other computer via the internet and then get converted into electronic message, which then using the TMS coil will be transferred to other person's mind. Thank you.